Hey, what's up? This is Crazy Working Man. You know, most of you guys know I use cameras for work, so thought I'd do a camera opening or an unboxing from Amazon. So basically, this is my new body camera. Hopefully, it is. If not, oh well. Wow, fucking nice packaging, Amazon. Fucking paper everywhere. Yep, this is it. Nice freaking packaging, assholes of Amazon.
We've got each beer sitting in a barrel right behind you all. What we're looking for is a clear, full-bodied liquid, plenty of flavor in a row, with a pattern aged. So choose your beer wisely, guys. Got 4 hours. Time starts.
Looks like my old body camera, but it's not.
What kind of taste profile are you hoping to get?
I'm going to start off with an oatmeal porter in this baby right here. Definitely pull out some of those chocolate roasted notes that are in the porter and then send it through the Gaelic ale. The amber ale, get a little nutty hazelnut note.
I like that. Tell me what we can expect out of your
In the pot, I've got the tropical lager. Tasting it wasn't super hoppy. It had a little bit of that mango, a little bit of that papaya, and I'm hoping to carry a little bit of that over into my distillate. And then I used that juicy devil in the thumper. My thought process is that light alcohol beer is going to have less moving parts, so to speak, less flavors that are flip with each other. The hoppier thing, I want that off the heat. Put that in the thumper, so it's getting steam distilled instead of flame distilled. Might keep the hoppy flavor from getting too wacky. Distilling a beer, it's not like distilling other spirits. The more complicated the beer is, the more complicated making the cuts can be.
How you feeling, Tyler? Yeah, baby.
I'm feeling good. Beer's not something that I normally run in a steamer. It's something I usually drink on a Friday night after work.
I decided to mix.
Well, it's more upgraded one than my old one.
Those both in my pot and also put a little bit into my thumper.
I used the ABL because when I took a sip of it, I mean, it was just crisp, clean, clear, tasted good. The lounge juice had a higher ABV, so that's why I wanted to do it. I want to try to get up as high as I can and be able to give me time to make my cuts and find something that's got a good flavor.
The tasty attributes that hops bring to beer can be
Hey, it's recording finally. There's also magnets I can post.
come off pretty early to run. Whoever runs the slowest, fuck that.
Yay.
I'm all right. Going good?
I don't want to puke. There's a few things you have to do different.
Hey, what's up there, crazy working people? It's Crazy Working Man. I'm testing out my new camera. See?
Yeah, mine is too.
Yep, I'm gonna have some fun. Recording and also doing some fun stuff with it. So,
Into the run.
and also got a new charger cord for it. So,
Where I need to be. I noticed that my thumper temperature gauge shot up. I knew something was wrong.
That ain't no good.
that's my first Amazon unboxing. Good quality and it's a lot smoother than my last one. Sweet.
Man, it's spitting that stuff out.
Anyways, yay.
I really messed something up.
Body camera, awesome. Looks a little smoother than my last one, so yeah. You can see that YouTube. And it's also recording, so yeah, I'm gonna.
Large touchscreen keeps everyone happy. The Subaru Crosstrek. Dog tested, dog approved.
We all have rough days, but Always Smooth Seattle's best coffee can make any rough day a little smoother. Here, have some Smooth Seattle's best coffee. Kids' birthday parties, am I right? You could use some Smooth Seattle's best coffee. Back day, have some Smooth Seattle's best coffee.
Is this 100% or up?
Sure is.
You are wise, young one. Seattle's best coffee. A smoother coffee.
And it's also recharging. Yay! Anyways, I'm gonna test out the recording and stuff. So, peace. I'm uploading this to Crazy Working Man. So, selfie.